See if Juan Ben can come through here. 0 for 2 with a fly out and a ground out. 2-1 Chiefs. As Wisconsin shifts the defense a little bit. They're going to bring the infield in. First pitch home from Dorsey. Is drilled high and deep to center. Payne moving back. He turns and watches it go. A bomb off the batter's eye for Juan Bin Cho. Dorsey may have faced one batter too many. Chiefs have blown it open. 5-1 in the 6th.